All right, it's teacher-directed instruction, so your voice level should be a 0. If you have a question, show me what you should do to ask for help. Where should your eyes be looking right now? Show me. At the board, at me, or at your paper. Fantastic. Okay, we are going to talk about 4 vocabulary words that are going to be in the story that you're reading this morning. So we're going to write these words down on our graphic organizer. The first word is mammals. Mammals. Everyone says it?
Mammals.
Clap how many word cards?
Mammals.
Excellent. Write it down on your graphic organizer. Mammals. Mammals are animals that use lungs to breathe air, nurse their young, and are warm-blooded. So we have some examples of mammals up here on the board. And here's a question for you. This question, you can write this question down in the example box on your graphic organizer, or you can use the word mammals in your own sentence. It's up to you. Okay? Toby.
Can I just draw?
Yes, if you want to illustrate, put an illustration in that box for the example, that'd be fine. Sorry. So I would like you to answer this question. What are 2 mammals you have seen this week? So think about in the village, going around, maybe out on your snow go. What are 2 mammals you've seen this week? I'd like you to tell your neighbor in a quiet voice. You've got 10 seconds. 9. You need 2 different kinds. All right, fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me quiet kavik, please. Show me quiet kavik, please. Put your hands down. Okay, Brian, what's a mammal you've seen this week?
Bear.
You saw a bear this week? Where? Okay, so maybe not this week, but last summer you saw a bear. Was it a brown bear or a black bear? Brown bear?
I see.
Oh my gosh, super cool. Okay, so we know that bears are a type of mammal. What's another type of mammal you might have seen this week? Jonah. I heard one that a lot of people said. Dogs. We have a lot of dogs in the village, right? Dogs are a type of mammal. Jocelyn. All right, going on to the next word. Oh, thank you very much. This word is traits. Traits. Everyone says?
Traits.
And clap how many word parts?
Traits.
1. Okay. Yes, you do. We're writing all 4 words this morning. Traits are characteristics that help define who you are. Who you are. So here we have a blank face, and we're going to give this face some traits. So remember from science, we've talked about inherited traits, how you can get genes from your mom and your dad, not like genes that you wear, right? But the messages that tell your body what you're going to look like. What color is your hair going to be? What color are your eyes going to be? How tall or short are you going to be? All of those are different kinds of traits. Can you roll your tongue? Can you bend your thumb back? Those are traits. So we're going to give this person some traits, some things that make this person different and unique from everybody else. So what's a trait that I could give this person? Toby.
Beard.
Okay, I could give him a beard.
Not the mustache.
Should he have freckles?
Yes.
If he's got red hair, maybe he does. Okay. Okay, so, well, those are freckles. So we've got things that set this person apart, different things in his physical appearance that make him different from other people, okay? Toby, an adjective that would describe whales. What would be an adjective that describes whales? What's that? Okay, so colors are adjectives. So I heard gray, blue. With your whiteboard marker, you can just leave it on your desk. You're going to be partner reading this section. As you read, if you find words that describe whales, I'd like you to take your whiteboard marker and I'd like you to write those words on the whiteboard underneath our topic, whales. So we'll get you started right now. What is a word that would describe whales? So I'm looking for adjectives here, describing words. Massive. Okay, so massive would be a good adjective to describe whales. Massive. An adjective that would describe whales. What adjective that describes whales? What's that? Okay, so color. All right, so I'm going to let you and your partner that you're working with decide on the title. That will be up to you. However, what do you think our topic is going to be for this paragraph? Thanks for raising your hand, Toby. Let's see if other people know. What is your topic going to be for this paragraph? Stefan. Yeah, the largest creature on Earth. And what is the largest creature on Earth?
Blue whale.
Whales. Okay, so we're not just talking about blue whales. We're going to write a paragraph about all whales, since that was what our story was on. We're summarizing. And what is summarizing? Everyone says?
Retell the important part.
Excellent. So we're going to summarize and retell the important parts about what we learned about whales. So for your topic, please write down whales, because that's going to be your topic. Oh, air high five if you did it, one step ahead of me. Fantastic. Now, we are not going to be coloring today, but if I were to color, what color would I make my topic? Everyone says?
Green.
All right, now I need my two key ideas. What color do I make the two key ideas? Everyone says?
Yellow.
Okay, so I'd like you to turn in your textbook to the page 630. And I see two headings on this page. Now, what we're reading, is this fiction or nonfiction? Please raise your hand before you answer. Think before you answer. Think about it in your head. Is this fiction or nonfiction? Janelle. Nonfiction. Good. It has true, factual information, right? It's not a made-up story. It's telling us facts about whales. In nonfiction, I often see headings. What headings do I see on this page? What headings? Look at your page. If you're looking at me, you're not looking for the information in your book, so you should be on page 630. What are the headings on the page? Brianna. Baleen whales. Okay, so that's going to be our first key idea. So for your star, we're going to write down baleen whales, or baleen. So I have two key ideas. I'm going to talk about baleen whales and toothed whales. Now, the rest of it is going to be up to you. You are going to tell me the important information about these two types of whales. So you'll need to stop and explain about baleen whales, and you'll need to stop and explain about toothed whales.
Yes.